This basement gets water normally. We've been here 12 years along that wall. So I have to raise those curtains and when a rainstorm's coming and pull these rugs. All the stuff over here is light. Obviously, electronics are up high. I do have some cables on the floor. But this thing, it's been down here 3 days. We just had a massive rainstorm and I got no water. I just put the rugs back. I had everything prepped out for water. I got 0 water down here. This thing's awesome. And as you can tell, I mean, that's bare concrete. And we play music down here. This is our little music space. And yeah, so the air quality down here is, I can't believe it's such a night and day difference. I really wish I would have bought one of these things years ago, but I'm glad I have it now.